This is how to make super tangy gyeoja, Korean mustard. All you need is a gyeojabun, Korean mustard powder, and water. To make super tangy gyeoja, I will not follow the instruction on the product. My recipe is mustard powder and water ratio of 1:1. Let's try with 1 tablespoon amount. 1 tablespoon of gyeoja and 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water. And you know that lukewarm water is around 30 to 40 Celsius. Now mix it well, and you have to put this mixture on steady warm place for 2 hours. I cannot find a better place to put it on than a rice cooker. Why 2 hours? After first 1 hour, it gets super tangy, but that's all. Only after second 1 hour, it will have a sweet ending taste. And that's the way I like it. How to use this gyeoja? Korean love to eat naengmyeon with it. If you mix it with your favorite naengmyeon, it will upgrade your noodle to upper level. Another common way to use is we use this to cook naengchae, which means cold salad. This is Korean chicken salad using gyeoja. What if I buy ready-mixed one in two? Okay, but for me, it's not tangy enough. Also, too sweet. So try with small amount, and if you like it, make it so much and put it in the small jar. How long can I keep it? Up to 1 month in fridge is okay. Please keep the opened powder in freezer if you're in the warm country. Thank you for watching and see you next time.